My name is Simon Silochaka from Mandela Park. At the moment, I'm running my own business. My business is called Sky High Production, which I started in 2010. On Sundays, I'm shooting for the church, the big church in the town, and I'm shooting for the municipality. Those are the two things that I'm working on. I'm working for them at the moment. So I started by buying the small cameras. Then I accumulated money and investing money until I bought the new cameras, the big cameras, the professional big cameras. At home, I really enjoy watching soccer actually. I enjoy it with all my heart. That's what I really enjoy doing. Now I resign from my work, and then after that I sit down and think about what I'm going to do with the money. Then I contact the call center, the Old Mutual call center, to help me with how to invest my money. Then they told me every step of it. Then I decided to invest with them. The experience that I received from the person who I talked to, it was marvelous. I realized that it was helpful. I was happy. I felt very happy when they helped me. That is why I did not hesitate actually to invest with them. I need to actually see my business growing every now and then, and see it as a big company that will be helping the small companies that will be growing up. Keep on investing the money that I'm making outside from my business that I'm running. The importance of investment or investing helps one when he gets old or when she gets old to actually go on with his life. I'm a very soft person who like to help people, who always advise people, especially when it comes to money. They must keep on investing until they get what they want. Now, my advice to those people, they must think for the future. There are a lot of people who can help them to save their money. So the big companies like Old Mutual, for an example, helps people to actually invest their money.